Nikki again. So I just made a video about Glamnetics, and I told you guys I would make a video about my favorite glue-ons so that you didn't have to buy Glamnetics and that you could be saved by that horrendous, tragic thing. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I wanted to preface this video by saying all of my opinions are my own. I am not being paid or sponsored to say any of these things. I have gotten no free products from any companies, and my opinions are my own. They do not reflect the company in which I work for, who shall remain nameless because I do not want to be fired. Also, shout out to my sister for getting me this awesome Harry Potter t-shirt. Harry Potter is my homeboy, so I just got into false lashes probably like 2 years ago. I tried out eyelash extensions. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. All my real eyelashes came out when I didn't want them anymore. My eyelashes were so teeny. So I started wearing fake eyelashes, and it took me a long time to find a brand that I liked and that I could definitely use all the time without buying new ones like every other day. So the first brand I tried was Ardell. Obviously, they're like the cheapest lashes and actually really cute lashes that you can buy. They don't last a long time though, so I could only use them like 2 or 3 times each before I had to throw them away because they were just too sparse, too nasty. They just don't clean very well. I started off with those, so if you're new to lashes, definitely recommend those. I've also tried Sephora brand lashes, like their own brand. Boy, I had such a conflicting thing with that. I really loved the way that they looked, but literally within one use, the band was like falling apart. It was horrible. The lashes are gorgeous, but they're just shitty quality. So don't recommend those either. Like I said, Glamnetic, not my favorite. Just glue. Your eyelashes are glued together. I've tried Lily lashes. They're too crazy for me. If they're good for you, perfect. But for me, I feel like my face is just too tiny for them. My eyes are too small or something. I don't really know. So I don't really like Lily lashes either. I've tried Blinking Beauty. I do like those ones. House of Lashes, those are again, like, they don't last long. So I used to use them and I've just kind of gotten away from it because $10 for lashes that you wear like 5 times, not my gig. I love PrimaLash. So it is a UK-based brand. They are awesome. Honestly, that's all I can say. They're awesome. I can wear my lashes for like 6 months at a time. No joke, I wear lashes almost every day for 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day. And these are so long lasting. So if you go to PrimaLash's website, since they're a UK-based brand, all of their prices are in British pounds. You can change that to US dollars, and each pair of those is like $9 or $10. I have bought so many pairs. It's crazy. Like literally, I use this to hold them all. Like I have 6 pairs in one drawer. It's crazy. And then I also have some on my vanity as well. I usually buy them in bulk just because shipping is expensive to get them from the UK to the US. It's like $11 for shipping, which kind of sucks because that's the price of an entire lash, but it's fine. They're so good that I will pay that. I don't care. So these are what PrimaLashes look like. These are probably their most popular, the Dainty. Oh, okay, you can't really see them because of the glare, which kind of sucks. It's just my ring light, you know, whatever. But they're faux mink. They're super wispy, super full. They still look natural without looking really crazy. And I really love these. These are my favorite. And they also have real mink. So I didn't realize it when I bought these because I'm very like vegan, cruelty-free person. That's why they are brand new in the box, haven't been touched. I didn't realize these were genuine mink lashes. They say that they're ethically sourced by just brushing the minks, but obviously they keep minks on a farm in order to brush them. So I don't think they're necessarily humanely and ethically sourced like they say they are. So I do just want to put that out there. Buy the synthetic ones. Do not buy the mink ones, because even though they look good, they look exactly the same in the synthetic ones. It's fine. These are my favorite. Like I said, super wispy. They're not real mink, which is my favorite part. Each box has instructions on the back, and it tells you to gently peel from the tray. Check fit, trim band accordingly. So on every single pair of these, I have to trim them, or else they go all the way to the inner corner and it's just really uncomfortable. So I always trim mine from the outer corner so that you don't lose the wispy little guys, to make them look a little bit more believable. Here are the vacay lashes. Now these ones are the real mink. Like I said, I haven't used these ones. They look really nice, but honestly, I don't see myself using them. You can definitely reuse these for a really long time, especially if you take care of them like I do. I love these lashes. I definitely recommend giving these a try. They're not really well known, but I get compliments at work all the time about my lashes, and these are always like what I tell people. And even though I don't sell them where I work, I still tell people about them. They have a ton of different styles, a ton of different lengths, thickness, everything like that. I'm pretty sure they even have human hair eyelashes on their website. I could never with that, but if you do, go ahead. So like I said, they last me like between 4 to 6 months each. I use Velour lash glue. That is my absolute favorite. I've tried Duo and I absolutely hate it. It's trash, okay? I hate the tubes, like really bad. I've definitely used the tube before and accidentally squirted it into my eye before, because if I'm just trying to get the corner to glue down, I will just do it straight from the tube because I'm an idiot. Don't do that, please don't do that. Use Velour. It is a brush applicator. I'll show you, it's way nicer. So this is my Velour lash glue. I have it in black. They also have it in clear. I just use the black because I wear super thick eyeliner, so even if I mess up, you can't see because my eyeliner is right there. So it comes in a tube. This tube probably lasts me close to a year, even if I'm wearing lashes almost every single day. Like, I'm not even kidding you. I bought some before quarantine and then had to repurchase after quarantine, which is like a year. So this is what the applicator brush looks like. It's super nice, super pristine, super like, you can control where it goes, which is why I like it so much and why I recommend this one. Because with the Duo tubes, you can't control where the glue is going. With this one, since it's a brush on, you can control where the glue goes and it's not like super crazy. This one is definitely my go-to. It only retails for $12 and it lasts a really long time. But this is definitely like, I just dropped it. This is definitely like my go-to. I've ridden roller coasters and my eyelashes have stayed on. So this is my Here's a pair that I've been wearing for the last couple months now. As you can see, still super full, still super nice looking. The glue comes off of them super easy. Like, I have never met a lash that glue came off this easy. So usually when I clean these, well, not really clean, but kind of just clean them up before use, I take off the adhesive and all I have to do is pinch my thumbnail to my index finger and just peel it off, and it comes off in like little bunchy guys, and it comes off super easy and doesn't ruin the band. And that's why these last so long. Like, literally all you have to do, it just comes right off. This is a giant, like, comes off beautifully, and now the lash is ready to use and it's totally fine. So long story short, try these lashes, tell me what you think. Shipping is a little bit pricey, but the lashes themselves are worth it. So try them out, let me know what you think. and comment below. Let me know which lashes that you prefer and which ones I should try next. Remember to like and subscribe this video so that I know that people are watching and that I can continue to make content for somebody out there watching. So if you're obsessed with finding new lashes and you've been like all around finding them, these are definitely the ones that I recommend. Like I said, I work at a beauty store. I've worked there for 2 years, and these are the first lashes that I've come across that I truly enjoy and that actually last. So I think that's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.